Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, green color, yellow color, black color and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets, and first we draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. It's an I draw J and use blue color. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use green color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for wallet, X for telephone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use yellow color. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E 3, F-O-U 4. Kids, now you draw 5 and use black color. F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.